But it's been really interesting to see what effect this tree is having on the local community, because it's brought a lot of people together, and there are a lot of people here today from other parts of Sheffield that know about this tree and care about this tree, and we have trees like it in other parts of Sheffield. Trying to make it sound like there's thousands of trees need to come down because they're dead, they're diseased, they're dying, and they talk about that all the time. But this is a perfect example of a tree that's actually, there's nothing wrong with it. It's only halfway through its life, and they'd like us to think of this tree as being mature or mature, which is a ridiculous classification that they use, and we're just all here to witness the fact that that's not the case.
Hanging round. Chorus. I got the tree chop, I got the tree chop blue. I got the tree chop, I got the tree chop blue. I think it's such an outrage. Let's get it in the news. Around the corner, what do I see? 12 yellow bells.
That survey isn't worth the paper it's written on.
No, it isn't. It's insulting. It's insulting to the people of Sheffield, that survey, as a lot of these mock consultations are. And I think that it's probably undervalued, because I feel it myself, is the emotional and mental well-being aspect of having large mature street trees in your neighbourhood. We're going to lose over 30 trees in my immediate neighbourhood, and just the thought of losing that is just very, very upsetting.
I got arrested when we were being threatened for the umpteenth time by police, saying that what we were doing was illegal, and we didn't believe it was. And so me and a colleague, back on November 2nd, decided to call their bluff a little bit on it and say, okay, if you're saying that, you're going to have to do it. And we did get arrested, and we did get locked up for 8 hours, and we've had a charge hanging over us for nearly 4 months. It was dropped yesterday, and here we are nearly end of February. Our trial was in less than 2 weeks' time, on the 9th of March, and it's gone all that far. And surprisingly enough, they have dropped it because what we were doing wasn't illegal. And I think they knew that, and so I'm really glad we did that. Not just from this position of hindsight, but I think it would have been easy to just think, oh, okay, I'm not sure if I want to get involved in this, and back away. So yeah.
Barricades up against the tree, acting as a downer, and an empty that is heavy. Super chop, chop, chop. Do a little break, you know.